we are already producing a lot of raw materials like coffee. If we add value, we roast the coffee and grind it and pack it, we may get about $25 or $40 from the same kilo from which we got 2.5 as beans. If we only add value to them, the economy size will go up. So now PDM has been struggling to bring all homes into the money economy, from okora echida chonka, from okora only for eating. That is the second point among the 10. And also start producing vaccines, making automobiles, making computers. That is the third. Instead of just coffee, cotton, and so on, now we have another one, science-based. In order for the economy to keep growing, you need to make it more profitable for the wealth creators, the business people. They needed to have less costs so that they make profit and expand. And one of them is the railway. The railway is cheaper, rail transport is cheaper than road transport.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.